Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover what happens to your body when you squat 100 times every day. This exploration takes us through the realms of physical transformation and mental shifts, backed by scientific insights and personal experiences. But before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the impact on cardiovascular health. When you squat, you're engaging some of the largest muscle groups in your body. This includes the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, all of which demand a significant amount of blood flow to perform their function. As a result, your heart works harder to pump blood to these muscles, and over time this can strengthen your heart muscle and improve its efficiency. Now you may wonder why this is so important. Well, a stronger and more efficient heart reduces the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. Squats are also known to help regulate your blood pressure. By increasing the elasticity and strength of your blood vessels, squats can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So not only do you get stronger legs, but you also promote a healthier heart. Research shows that consistent squatting can help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular endurance. Now let's shift our focus to weight management. When you're squatting, you're not just moving up and down, you're engaging a variety of muscle groups. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and of course, your glutes are all hard at work. This full body engagement translates to a high calorie burn, making squats an excellent exercise for those looking to shed a few pounds. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats also help to build muscle, and the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. So essentially, the benefits of your 100 daily squats continue even after you've finished your workout. Furthermore, squats help to tone and define your muscles. Regular squatting can lead to stronger, firmer glutes and thighs, as well as a more defined core and lower back. Over time, this can contribute to weight loss and a toned physique. Beyond the physical benefits, squatting has a profound impact on your mood. Just like any other physical activity, squatting triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. These chemicals, often referred to as feel-good hormones, help combat feelings of stress and anxiety. As you sink into a squat and then push yourself back up, your body responds by releasing these endorphins into your bloodstream. This isn't just about feeling good in the moment either. Regular endorphin release can contribute to a more positive, more uplifted overall mood. In addition, the accomplishment of completing 100 squats each day can give you a real sense of achievement. Every time you hit that 100 mark, you're reminding yourself of your strength, your perseverance, and your ability to push beyond your limits. So, while the physical benefits of squatting are impressive, don't underestimate the impact on your mental well-being, leaving you feeling more energized and positive. And that's not all. Squatting regularly does more than just sculpt your physique. It's a wellness powerhouse, working on multiple facets of your health in a single move. Imagine having a wellness routine that not only makes you look strong, but also feel strong, inside and out. When you're squatting, you're not just building muscles, you're also enhancing the health of your joints. It's like taking a well-rounded multivitamin for your body, but instead of popping a pill, you're popping a squat. Moreover, flexibility is a key player in our overall well-being. Squatting helps increase your flexibility, making everyday movements feel easier and more fluid. And don't forget about balance, an important aspect of fitness that often gets overlooked. Squatting helps enhance your balance, improving your posture and reducing the risk of falls and injuries. It's a holistic approach to well-being that extends beyond just looking good. Now let me share some personal anecdotes. A few months back, I embarked on a journey of squatting 100 times every day, and the transformation has been nothing short of phenomenal. At first, it was a challenge to keep up with the routine, but as the days turned into weeks, I started to notice the changes. I felt stronger, more energized. The persistent ache in my knees, a souvenir from my running days, started to fade. My endurance improved, not only in my workouts but in my everyday activities. I could climb stairs without feeling winded, carry groceries without straining. But the changes weren't just physical. My mood began to lift. I felt more positive, more capable. The daily accomplishment of completing my 100 squats gave me a sense of satisfaction, a little victory to start each day. The endorphin rush post-workout became something I looked forward to, a natural mood booster. But it's not just me. There's a whole science behind the magic of squatting. Research has shown that this simple exercise can have profound effects on our bodies. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that performing squats regularly can increase your jump height and sprint speed. Another study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology concluded that squats could improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. This includes the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, which are some of the largest muscles in the body. Working these muscles increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. And it's not just about the physical benefits. Regular exercise like squatting has been shown to improve mental health, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. In conclusion, the benefits of daily squatting are multifaceted, supported by both personal experiences and scientific research. So next time you're debating whether to fit in a workout, remember the power of the humble squat. Studies suggest that squatting activates various muscle groups simultaneously, enhancing overall functional fitness and reducing the risk of injuries. So there you have it, the transformative effects of squatting 100 times every day. It's time to unlock your potential and embrace a healthier, happier you. Start by incorporating squats into your daily routine and witness the change yourself. If you found this insight valuable, give us a thumbs up and share the knowledge with your friends. Remember, subscribing will keep you updated with more fitness wisdom. Keep squatting, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next video.